This type of niche is going absolutely viral nowadays. Many people are jumping into this trend, creating these types of videos and earning thousands of dollars every single month. Not just once a year, but month after month. The opportunity is huge right now, and today I am going to tell you exactly how you can start creating these types of stunning videos without putting in much effort at all. I know a lot of people out there will try to tell you that it's difficult, that it takes a lot of time, skill, or experience. But trust me, it's not difficult, man. It's actually very easy if you know the right steps. In fact, it's so simple that even if you are a complete beginner with no experience, you can still do it without any problem. You can create the maximum number of videos by spending just half an hour a day. Yes, only 30 minutes. And you'll be able to produce high-quality, professional-looking content ready to upload and share with the world. No need to spend hours and hours editing or filming. Just a few easy steps and you're good to go. Right now, this type of channel is ranking very high on YouTube. These channels are getting tons of views, gaining subscribers fast, and earning serious money. It's a hot trend, and everyone wants to jump in and create this type of channel because they know the potential it has to change their life. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started right now. Just take a screenshot of what I'm showing you, go to ChatGPT and start creating your scripts and ideas. Add more wording, make your videos detailed, engaging, and interesting. Stay consistent, and soon you'll see amazing growth on your channel. Believe me, the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Just paste the screenshot into ChatGPT and simply ask, "I want to create this type of video." In just a few seconds, it will provide you with an amazing and stunning type of prompt. No need for any hard work, no need to spend hours trying to figure it out. No need to learn AI or any complicated stuff. It's super simple. Just paste the picture, type your request, and ChatGPT will automatically generate a professional, high-quality prompt for you. You don't have to do anything manually. You don't need any special skills or technical knowledge. It's as easy as copy and paste. Once you get the prompt, just copy it and use it for your video creation. That's it. You are ready to create eye-catching viral videos in minutes without putting in a lot of effort. This method saves you time, energy, and stress. Instead of spending days writing scripts or planning your content, you can get everything you need within seconds. It's like having a full creative team right at your fingertips. So don't wait, take action now. Grab your screenshot, open ChatGPT, paste it, ask for the prompt, and watch the magic happen. Your dream of running a successful viral channel is now easier than ever. Now, after you get the prompt from ChatGPT, it's time to move into Canva Dream Lab. This is where the real magic happens. Simply open Canva Dream Lab, paste the prompts one by one into the text box, and get ready to create something incredible. First, select the size you want for your images depending on your project, whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform. Then, choose the style that you prefer. Canva Dream Lab offers tons of different styles like realistic, cinematic, 3D, painting, and many more. Pick whatever style fits the look and vibe you're aiming for. After setting the size and style, you just need to paste the prompt. That's it. No need for any complicated designing skills. No need to waste hours trying to edit images yourself. In just one credit, Canva Dream Lab will automatically generate 4 amazing high-quality animated images that look so realistic. It's hard to believe they were made by AI. Also, if you want another amazing option, you can use Piclumen AI. It's a completely free website. No need for any credits, no need to pay anything at all. It's super simple and beginner-friendly. All you have to do is just paste your prompt into Piclumen AI and hit generate. That's it. In just a few seconds, you will see the results. Stunning, HD quality, animated images that look absolutely professional and eye-catching. Piclumen AI is an incredible tool because it gives you free access to high-quality visuals without any effort. You don't need to worry about designing, editing, or understanding complicated settings. Just copy the prompt you got from ChatGPT, paste it directly into Piclumen AI, and sit back while it does all the work for you. The best part is that the images created are super realistic, full of details, and perfect for using in your videos, thumbnails, or even social media posts. Whether you are creating storytelling videos, motivational reels, movie explainers, or AI art showcases, Piclumen AI can deliver everything you need without costing a single penny. So if you want unlimited creative power without spending money, make sure you take full advantage of Piclumen AI. It's fast, it's free, and it's mind-blowing what kind of stunning results you can achieve with just a simple prompt. Now, it's time to create the real magic boom. After you have your amazing images ready, just head over to Haliou AI. This is where things get next level. Simply drag and drop your image into Haliou AI. You don't need to type any prompt, you don't need to set any complicated settings. Absolutely nothing difficult at all. Just upload your image and click on Create. That's it. Within a few seconds, Haliou AI will automatically generate a stunning, high-quality animated video from your image. The best part is that the animation looks so smooth, professional, and eye-catching that it feels like it was made by a top-level editor or animator. Haliou AI does all the heavy lifting for you. No skills, no experience, no extra time needed. It's fully automatic and insanely easy to use. This is the real magic, turning your simple images into full cinematic animated videos without even touching a video editor. These videos are perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even full YouTube videos. And because the quality is so high, your content will instantly stand out from the crowd and grab the audience's attention. Just imagine. In only a few minutes, you can create viral quality content that looks like it took hours of professional work, but you did it all with just a few clicks. That's the power of Haliou AI. So don't wait. Take your generated images, drag them into Haliou AI, click Create, and watch your stunning video come to life like magic. The future of content creation is here, and it's easier and faster than ever before. Now, after you have created your video, come back to ChatGPT again. This time, simply ask ChatGPT, "Please provide me a summary of this story in a few lines." In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a clean, short, and powerful summary of your full story. Perfect for adding voiceovers to your video. No need to write it yourself, no need to waste any time thinking about how to make it short and sweet. ChatGPT will do it for you quickly and professionally. Once you get the summary, copy it, and now open Google. Search for free TTS, text-to-speech. Click on the first website that appears in the search results, usually a popular and trusted TTS site. Now it's time to create your audio. Paste your copied summary into the TTS website. Then select your preferred language, whether you want English, Spanish, Hindi, or any other language depending on your audience. After that, choose the voiceover style you like. Most TTS websites allow you to select different voice tones like casual, professional, storytelling, excited, emotional, or even different male and female voices. Pick the one that matches the mood of your video. Finally, just click on Generate, and boom! In just a few seconds, your professional sounding voiceover will be ready. Now, let's move into CapCut. First, drag your audio and video into the project. Make sure you adjust your audio to fit the video. This is crucial because you want the audio to align perfectly with the visuals. Next, arrange your video clips in the correct sequence, ensuring they match the timing of the voiceover. If the video doesn't match the pace of the audio, you can adjust the video speed to sync perfectly with the voiceover. CapCut makes it easy to change the speed of your clips by simply selecting the video and adjusting the speed control to match the flow of your audio. Once your audio and video are synced, you can add transitions and effects. If you're using the Pro version of CapCut, you have access to amazing transitions that can enhance your video. These transitions are particularly useful for making animated scenes look smooth and polished. CapCut offers a variety of options, whether you need a simple fade or something more dynamic. Additionally, the Pro version allows you to use captions with beautiful and engaging styles. You can download over 100 caption styles to make your video stand out. Using captions not only helps to enhance storytelling, but also makes your video more engaging and accessible. With all these features, your video will become not just visually appealing, but also incredibly interesting and professional looking. Once your video is ready, watch the full video from start to finish. Check if everything looks good: the animations, the images, the voiceover, and the overall flow dot. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Your support means a lot and helps me to keep creating awesome content for you. See you in the next video.